So I talked earlier about the wind. It's no secret the West Coast is one of the rainiest parts of the country. But with all that rain comes things like this, the Hokitika Gorge. Blue skies might be a bit of a rarity, but blue waters, they've got plenty of. Have a look at this.
Yep, so we are West Coast Cycling Tours, and I'm Donna Beard.
And I'm Alexandra Beard.
With e-bikes, people have a perception that it's cheating, but it actually isn't. It's called pedal assist. So you're still actually pedaling, but you're just getting a wee bit of assistance.
And you can choose what level as well.
A nice easy trip is from Hokitika out to the Treetop walkway, onto Ross, have a beer at the Empire Hotel in Ross. Yeah.
It's all pretty scenic, the whole wilderness trail though.
Yeah.
Like every bit you pick, it's just as good.
My name is Stephen Gwaliansi, and the name of the business here and the workshop is Bonz and Stonz Carving Studio. Simple ones, elementary would be just a normal drop or a tonki. We've been more complicated, it would be like a koru, more finer work, fish hook. Advanced, really advanced, you're looking at a manaya or a tiki or spend at least almost like more than half a day, maybe 5 to 6 hours.
It's almost a whole day in a workshop to make the souvenir. Here we are in the West Coast Treetop walkway at eye level with Kotuku forest and these giant remu. Whew. At the top of the observation tower, at 40 metres, it's the highest point in the West Coast Treetop walkway. And from here, you get a bird's eye view of the Kotuku forest, out there to Lake Mahinapua, and that tiny strip of silver in the distance is the meeting point of the Tasman Sea. How's that for a view?
The fish we find here are going to be the endanga and the giant kokopu because they both like sluggish, brackish water.